Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by getting the engine to idle and switching on the Swift. This engages the compressor. You want steady vacuum and electrical load. Once the compressor clicks, set the blower to 1/2 and the temperature to cool so the system stabilizes. Make sure to select recirculation to speed temperature drop. That reduces intake of hot air. If the clutch fails to engage within 10 seconds, stop and inspect fuses or low refrigerant pressure before continuing. Don't run blind. Once you've achieved initial cooling, fine-tune the blower and temperature slowly. Abrupt full cold stresses the cabin and compressor. You should raise blower to 2 or 3 for steady airflow. This balances work and efficiency. Use small temperature changes to find the sweet spot. This prevents overwork and fogging. Also shift vent mode as needed. Dash vents give fast chill, foot vents keep occupants comfortable long-term. If you notice icing on evaporator lines, reduce blower briefly and open cabin to defog. To finish, taper a /C output as you reach your stop. Gradually move to fresh air to clear humidity and prevent musty smells. Before shutting off, run the blower on high for 30 to 60 seconds with a /C off. That dries the evaporator and reduces mold risk. Park and let the engine settle. If cooling feels weak at any point, inspect the cabin filter first. Then check refrigerant level and compressor clutch. Low refrigerant or a slipped clutch are the most common, fixable problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.